Well, it's Mohammad Asif versus Kante. What's it going to be? Where is he going to shoot? And Mohammad Asif. Well, who would have thought? Capitalize on this moment. Piyush Nova has one goal for himself. And Piyush goes ahead. Piyush Nova with the goal and an advantage there for Bangladesh. Wonderful of the game. Now it's going to be Ramveer, who has come back into this game after the red card suspension for the second. Ramveer versus Mohammad Asif. Coolly taken by Ramveer. One for Bangladesh coming on to take Moinul Islam. Moinul Islam with an opportunity here to take Bangladesh in front. And the goal versus Mohammad Asif. 2-1 at the moment. Goalkeeper trying to take Bangladesh ahead. Shakil Topu. Good finish. Shakil. Open answer. Shakil Topu with the goal here. In the previous game,